kakhulu ke guys kumkhokha kuleli viki uMamzobe ubabambe uqotsheni uzodwa noDifa ehotela. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 10th to the 14th of July 2023 on Monday. Trouble comes when Mamzobe learns about Difa's escapades and decides to follow him around. Mabusi makes a decision about her future. Mlungisi continue on his downward spiral on Tuesday. Mamzobe struggled to keep her marriage together as Difa clearly moved. Siphamandla and Mabusi tried to infuse life into an uncompromising church, but they are relentless. Busiso makes a pass at Nompendulo on Wednesday. Mamzobe find a way to derail Difa's newfound bliss with Zodwa in the most shameful way. Manzimande pleads with Mthembu for guidance. Pamandla is encouraged when he sees his mother arriving at church on Thursday. Zodwa put 2 and 2 together and Mamzobe is tempered with Difa. The Mthembus revive their church while Mlungisi squanders keys. Nokbonga gets the upper hand over Nompendulo on Friday. There is a spanner in the works for Zodwa, who is supposed to follow Difa to Cape Town. Mlungisi falls asleep during a church service. Siphamandla preaches to 4 people in Pietermaritzburg. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.